My name is Drew Van Huss and we're in Gallatin, Tennessee. We heard about JVI because my wife actually did a Google search and discovered you guys through that. You know, we looked at some of the reviews and some of the things that some previous customers had said, and it sounded like JVI could probably do what we wanted them to do. We were super happy with the crew. They were all extremely professional, extremely knowledgeable of everything that they were doing. We loved having them out here for a few days, and they were able to take what we had before and make it into what we wanted. And they were able to see our vision exactly and just create exactly what we needed in our backyard. One of my favorite things about this is I love the fish. I'm sure they're going to kind of become family pets over the years, and I love having them here in the backyard. I love the waterfall, the way the crew from JVI was able to set this up. It makes it so relaxing back here in our backyard. It's just so simple to sit out here on the deck, and you've got the falls right here behind me, and it's just a great relaxing sound. I would 100% recommend JVI to anybody that wanted to use them for any of their landscaping needs. They are so easy to work with, they are so professional, they do a wonderful job when they're doing the project, and I can pretty much guarantee that you'll be very, very happy with their work. They were able to really just do exactly what we wanted, and we have been so happy with the finished product. I know we're going to enjoy it for many, many years to come.